Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished colleagues and friends, it is a great honor and a sincere pleasure to address you today the annual WestMED Stakeholder Conference. For Portugal, this moment allows us not only to celebrate the work achieved during our 2 years of co-presidence, but also to recognize the cooperation, trust, and the shared purpose that have guided us first alongside Mauritania and now with Tunisia. So let me begin by expressing my deep appreciation to our Tunisian partners, to DGPM, to WestMED team, to the assistance mechanism, and to all national hubs. Thank you for your openness, your commitment, and above all, for the genuine partnership we have built together. Our cooperation proves that when both shores of Mediterranean work hand in hand, we are able to shape a more prosperous, innovative and resilient region. For Portugal, co-chairing the West Steering Committee has been an opportunity to contribute what defines us most: the values, experience and identity of a country shaped by the sea. Indeed, Portugal's added value to the WestMed initiative lies in our long maritime tradition, our strong ocean governance, and our capacity to connect Mediterranean and Atlantic perspectives. Allow me to highlight 3 key milestones of our co-presidence. First, last year we hosted the WestMed Hackathon in the Algarve. More than 80 participants from 15 countries come together: governments, researchers, civil society, and the private sector. It offered a space to discuss how blue economy activities can be innovative, job-creating, and sustainable. It was a concrete step towards strengthening partnership across the West Mediterranean. Second, we supported and took part of the WestMed side event in the Green Zone of the United Nations Ocean Conference in Nice, and joined a panel promoted by the Union from Mediterranean. In both, we highlighted the importance of the blue skills and ocean literacy, 2 pillars essential to a more sustainable and inclusive future. Third, last July, we co-organized a webinar on innovation and investment for ocean resilience under the theme Sea Basin Strategy in Action. With more than 50 participants from policy, research and industry, the session showcased tangible solutions for restoring marine ecosystems, reducing pollution and strengthening coastal resilience. Throughout these 2 years, Portugal has sought to act as a bridge between Mediterranean and Atlantic, between Europe and North Africa, and between innovation and tradition. But perhaps the most meaningful outcome has been the learning experience itself. We learn from each other's strengths, from each country specific challenge, and from the diversity that defines our sea basins. We gain a deeper understanding of how cooperation unlocks opportunities that no country can achieve alone. These reinforce our beliefs that WestMed region is a shared resource, a shared responsibility, and above all, a shared future. Dear colleagues, it is especially significant to speak to you today following my participation in COP30 in Brazil. Once again, the world is reminded of the urgency, the complexity, and the responsibility we all share in protecting our planet. And among all climate challenge, none is more decisive for our collective future than a healthy of our oceans. Ocean governance must move to the center of climate diplomacy. In this context, initiatives such as the European Union Pact for the Mediterranean are essential because they strengthen cooperation between countries, institutions, civil society, and the private sector. Today's conference addresses an ambitious agenda. One of its central themes, blue skills and ocean literacy, is a national priority for Portugal. We are reinforcing our commitment by broadening partnerships at bilateral, regional, and international level. The new technical group on blue skills and ocean literacy, which Portugal has supported since its creation, will play a decisive role in advancing WestMED contribution to a bluer future. Dear partners and friends, as this chapter closes, Portugal remains strongly committed to the WestMED initiative and to promoting a sustainable, innovative and inclusive blue economy across both the Mediterranean and the Atlantic. Once again, I warmly thank Tunisia for a constructive and fruitful partnership, and I thank all member states and stakeholders for your trust, your collaboration and your dedication. Muito obrigada. Thank you. Merci. Shukran.